This video is about how to be a hero, digging a hole for your wife, using minimal equipment, and doing it right and not hurting your back, making sure we give ourselves enough rest, kind of take it easy so that we don't overdo and hurt our backs. So without further ado, here's how to dig a hole for your wife in the garden. And so there's a number of things to think about when you're doing this. So you want to use the legs for sure. So I'm going to kind of go through. We don't want to bend the spine. We want to keep the spine straight. So this is how most of us dig, is we tend to bend over too much. Not really what we want to do. We want to use those legs. You can kind of think about being using strong legs, keeping the spine straight, kind of like a sumo wrestler. And just that wide stance and keeping the spine straight, staying squared up, feeling the muscles in your glutes and your quads activating. And, one criticism is I could have engaged my core a little bit more. No twisting. That's a game over. That's a game changer. You will not be able to dig any more holes if you twist the spine. So you can see I'm just bending the knees, active with the feet. I was getting a little excited here. Might have been slightly more aggressive than I should have been, but slowing it down, being mindful of how we're doing these different things. Again, just, the importance of straightening that spine, using the legs, squaring up to what you're doing, not twisting. And I think that taking breaks is a big one. Not trying to do too many hours or minutes, just breaking it up into small tasks. And by the way, make sure you dig your hole in the right place. Don't dig too big. Don't go overboard. And with that advice, it should be pretty good. And you will be the hero, and your wife will be very happy with all of your efforts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.